What would happen if your EC2 instance crashes tomorrow? Would you have a backup? In this video, I'll show you how to create an EC2 snapshot in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Open the AWS Console and search for EC2. On the right-hand side, click View Running Instances. I'm going to create a backup of this EC2 instance. The important thing to understand is that the snapshots are created from EBS volumes, which are the storage disks attached to your EC2 instance. So first we need to identify which EBS volume is attached to this server. Select your EC2 instance and then open the Storage tab. If you scroll down the Storage section, you will see the EBS volume attached to this instance. This is where the operating system, applications, and data are stored. To create a snapshot, I'll click on the volume ID to open the EBS volume details. This page shows all the storage volume attached to your EC2 instances. So select the volume you want to back up. I only have one volume available, so I'm going to select this one. With the volume selected, creating a snapshot only takes a few clicks. So click Action. And then click Create Snapshot. Now you can optionally add a description to make the snapshot easier to identify later. I'm going to name this one as EC2 Backup Snapshot. So once that's done, click Create Snapshot. That's it. AWS is now creating the snapshot in the background, depending on the size of volume and how much data is stored on it. This process may take a few minutes. Let's confirm that the snapshot was created successfully. On the left-hand navigation panel, click Snapshot under Elastic Block Store. You will see your snapshot listed here with the status of pending. That means AWS is still creating the snapshot. Once the process finishes, the status will change to completed. So let's give a few minutes to finish. Let's check the status again. As you can see, the snapshot is now complete. So why snapshots are important? An EBS snapshot gives you a backup that can later use it to restore data, create a new EBS volume, or even help to recover an EC2 instances after accidentally changes or failures. For example, before making major changes to a server, installing software, or applying updates, creating a snapshot is a great safety step. Now you know how to create a snapshot, but what happens if you actually need to use it? You can restore it by creating a new volume from the snapshot. I will cover the complete restore process in a separate video, but now you know the option is here. So let's quickly recap what we did in this video. We opened the EC2 console, located the EBS volume attached to our instance, created a snapshot from that volume, and verified that AWS successfully created the snapshot. That's all it takes to create a basic EC2 backup using EBS Snapshot. It only takes a few minutes and could save you hours of work. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe for more beginner AWS tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.